G'day guys, it's Will from Mower Merch. I'm here today to introduce our brand new GPS trackers built to track your mower. Our GPS tracker gives you the ability to have live tracking on your mower. It's fully weatherproof, shockproof, and the most important part, theft-proof. Our GPS trackers work on 4G technology, feeding your smartphone live data and information of where your mower is at all times. It has the ability to set up a geofence or a home base, signaling your smartphone as soon as it leaves that geofence. So if you're snoozing away at night and a thief comes strolling by and steals your mower, your smartphone's alerted straight away, and bang, you can alert the authorities as quick as you can to have your mower back, making you money. Our GPS trackers come with a very simple installation guide. 3 wires, that's all it takes. Positive, negative, and ignition, and a little bit of double-sided tape. Stick it up under your console once it's wired in, and bang, your mower is secure. It's cheap insurance. $500 is what we're selling our trackers for, and that's going to come with a free 1 year of tracking at the cost of $135. After that first year of free tracking is up, you'll be required to pay $135 per annum to have your mower tracked and have the ability to have cheap insurance and get that mower back as soon as possible in the unlikely event that your mower is taken from you. Other applications for our GPS trackers is staff tracking, time management. We have the ability to track from A to B how long your staff members are spending at each job and how long that mower is running for. This can help with productivity and serviceability of all your equipment and your staff. So check them out, mowermerch.com.au. We have heaps of stock available and we're happy to answer any questions. Look out for a how-to video coming out soon on how to install our GPS trackers. Check them out.